Looking good. So, I mean, based on the volume of bees that are in here, I do not need to get into this hive and inspect it anymore. There's, hey Meta, record. This is the Sadie hive, and as you can see, they are extremely well populated for right now. Really loving this food, the Winter Pro that I put in here last week. Yeah, they look great. I don't see any need to bust up this hive before cooler temperatures come. Everybody's good. Okay. So that was easy. Knock the bees off so they don't die when I do that. And see how this is not, see how this creates a gap? Honeybees don't like gaps. So they've already started to create propolis to try to glue it together. Look at that. Geniuses. Carpenters. The OG carpenters. Alright, Sadie, looking good. Stay strong. This is the Parker Bean Hive. I did not put a Winter Pro patty in her because they looked rather populous last weekend already, as they are. Let's see. I did not inspect you guys last weekend because I didn't want to pull y'all apart. And again, I really don't see the need to. That's a full frame of honey. And that's honey. I mean, no mites in that thing. This thing is doing no good. Y'all get off of there. Okay, so, yeah, see, why would I bust this up? I don't need to see the queen. I don't need to see anything. I see that they are doing just fine. Right? Right. Can I pet you? I love you. Hey, Meta. Record. This is the Parker Beans hive. Aren't they so sweet? I love you guys. Just want to pet a honeybee sometimes. Okay, well, y'all do what you do. Do you want a Winter Pro patty? I mean, the others seem to like it and it's doing just fine, so, okay. So, adding Winter Pro. Open the bag, it's got this little cut in the top here. Watch out, ladies. Scoot, scoot. Okay, y'all all moved? Okay. And then, just add the cover back on. Knock everybody off so they don't die when you do. And see how it's a little higher? That's okay. It'll squish down and they'll close it up with propolis if they want to. And that's the beaner. Notice how much I've used my smoker? I do that all the time. Hey Meta, record. Debbie. Stuff good? Or are you stuck? No, you're good. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Open this up some more for you. How's that? All is well. Everybody looks good. Oh, got him. You thought you were coming after my honeybees. Yellow jacket. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That was awesome. That was freaking cool. They were up here. They had to have been. And got trapped up there. This is the Bobbee Hive. My dad's hive. Last time I was in here I saw 2 queens. For whatever reason, I have no idea why they felt the need to create another queen, but obviously they're all still here. At least for the most part. I mean, if they swarmed, they swarmed, but whatever. Alright, y'all still got 2 queens or what? You know, it's been a minute, but Sadie had 2 queens for the longest time too. Maybe I should go look in Sadie. And, just out of curiosity, see if she's still in there or if she was superseded. Y'all curious? I'm curious. Okay, alright, let's see what's going on here in Bobbee. So this is my dad's hive. Prior to the extra hive, the 10th hive, which created itself, I intentionally created Bobbee and Debbie, my mom and my dad, my mom, and they both have been doing pretty well. Like I said, last time I was in here, this hive had 2 queens. Why is this frame completely empty but drawn out? Should be filling that with honey, you guys. That's what it's for. You've already got the wax drawn for you. Same here. some honey. Got honey. That's your pollen pants. Whoa. Big old queen cell. Open. See that right there? Watch out, guys. This is a big old peanut shell, also known as a queen cell. In the middle, open, enclosed, fully emerged. They have either requeened themselves, created an, oh, I see brood on the next frame. That's a great sign. So there is definitely a queen in here. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this just because I don't like seeing these. Like when I see these, I'm like, wait a minute, what the hell? So I'm gonna get rid of this. They're gonna get mad at me, but I don't care. Here, I'll roll it down to the bottom. You have it down there, okay? There. I don't like seeing those because it makes me wonder, when was that done? You know, and so whenever I see them, I get rid of them. So I know it was new. Watch out. Move your little head. The more calm and gentle you are with your bees, the more calm and gentle they will be. Okay, this is gorgeous brood. There is an awesome queen in this hive for sure. Look at that. Look at that. Is that a drone? That's a drone. A male honeybee. What are you doing in January? Lone survivor? Okay, where are you at, Queenaroo? Next frame's full of brood too. Get rid of all this. Oh, go for it. How about it? You want that protein too? You see, honeybees don't know the difference when a honeybee dies. It's just protein. They don't realize they're eating their sister. Wow. There she is. Unmarked. So, number one, I need to mark her, but should I mark her as blue for 2025 or white for 2026, because either way I don't have a good marker right now. I don't have a good white. And I don't really want a marker blue. So you're pretty. She's dark. Wow, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Okay. So, shall we go see about the Sadie hive? Go see if she's got a pretty new queen in there? I think as dark as that queen is, she's a Russian. I mean, they're all kind of mutts, unless it's controlled breeding, that which I do not have. So my bees are just, I'm about to kill me a yellow jacket. Oh, missed him. My bees are just mutts. Mostly Italian and some Russian. Your classic Carnelonian. Not all upper frames or upper covers have the cutout in the back, so it is what it is. Alright, let's go check on Sadie real fast.